What's up, guys? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. We are in New Jersey. I'm here with Howard, a customer of ours, and he's going to give us a quick rundown on this beautiful home theater of his. Just kind of walk us through everything, and I'll kind of throw some questions at you along the way.
Originally, this basement was mostly unfinished, and we decided to have a home theater. It's got a double wall that is separated by a gap, and it's got acoustic insulation. We wanted to make sure that the sound wasn't going to leak out. And we started, it was roughly 30 by 20.
Okay.
And it ended up being about 27 by 19. Behind the screen, which you can't see, is, there's a false wall, and there's about 15 inches of high density rock wool insulation behind there because I had a lot of problems with resonances. The ceilings are 10 feet, but the finished height of this ceiling is about 9.5. Then with the step up in the back, it's like 7.5.
You can fit 10 people in here comfortably.
And we do get a lot more than 10 in here. We have people that come in, and we have these floor pillows, and everybody lays around, so we can get maybe 15 people in here comfortably. So we have 176-inch 235:1 acoustically transparent screen. Behind that, we have a center channel from Tecton Design. In fact, all the speakers are from Tecton Design in the theater. We have two SB4000 from SVS behind the screen as well. You
have a 7.4.4 configuration, correct?
Yes.
And then you have two more SVS PC4000s, or
They're the 2000 Pros.
2000, okay.
Yeah.
So the cylindrical standing subs from SVS.
Right.
And then what do we have back in the AV closet?
Back in the AV closet, we've got a Marantz 8805, which is the AVR. For amplifiers, I have an Outlaw Audio 7-channel differential amplifier. And then we have an Emotiva 5-channel amp to run the Atmos speakers. Plenty of power. The Tectons are very, very efficient. You just don't need a lot of power to drive them. They're 4 ohms, and I think they have a 94 dB sensitivity. Yeah.
Wow. Of course, you have the star of the room, I would say, the JVC 4100 with the anamorphic lens on the front of there, and then you also have the MADVR.
Yeah, those purchases are, I just recently made those from Dreamedia online. Kellen was very helpful in helping me select the equipment, and he was able to get me the stuff that I needed when nobody else could. I'm thrilled with the purchases. I mean, I just love the picture. From my Epson 6050, this NZ9 is like night and day in terms of the contrast. And then the MADVR is the icing on the cake because the things that it can do really, really bring out the best in the projector. Without the MADVR, there's little things like tone mapping on the JVC is far from perfect. So I noticed that right away. I had the projector for about a week, and I was watching it, and I was not entirely satisfied with the tone mapping. Since I got the MADVR, it's just like set and forget. Yeah. It's amazing. The other thing that always bothered me was the barrel distortion from the DCR lens. Yeah. And this has geometry correction on the Extreme model, which just takes all that away, and it looks amazing.
And I know that you did a lot of the design elements in the room. You were kind of the general contractor of the whole project.
I probably should have hired an AV company. As experienced as I think I am with this stuff, there's things that a company like yours, since you do so many installs and you're in the business that you know that I had to learn the hard way. So I would recommend it.
What are some other purchases that maybe not right away, but what are some of the upgrade paths that you're looking to do in the future?
Definitely the screen. I think I can get more brightness with a higher gain screen. This screen has a gain of 1.1. So if I can get to a 1.4 gain screen with ambient light rejection, that would give me a lot more pop. And the other thing I would consider upgrading is the AVR. It's getting a little long in the tooth now. The 8805, I think, came out in 2015.
Yeah, we kind of spoke on some of the limitations there with the room correction and how it's gotten better with the EQ app that's available on the Denon and Marantz through the Hios app and things, but still kind of limited when you start to look at Direct Live or even the Trinov type of deal. So yeah, Howard, I think you have a lovely room. Can't wait to hear some demos, and thanks for kind of telling us and giving us the walkthrough of the space.
Glad to do it.
It's only just
Thank you guys for watching the video today. If you have any questions related to home theater, audio, and video, feel free to give us a call. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. But that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Kellen and Howard. Thank you for watching.